Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Usembut mendirang ba ubekmi ikatrat penroisar ubas nyau balang dhar haka santri kuno pra arajar pausau lo Kular ginong yalam jongeseng Nongdie Madan Paka Sorkar ka zapersang ban penkendria yaki Jaka ka Paka ka bakinduk bla ban kamai manakasngi haga jing kran bekelat patai kubor dengan jing lang uba dhar loong bola kerpa ginong yalam jongeseng Nongdie Madan bikinya trelang Paka Sorkar kanang makan dubla ban pen urlong ya kejeng dawa.
It's a very good meeting. They request me, sir, please give us a good space. And I told them, don't worry, I'm with you. Please cooperate with the government. We will try to locate a good place for them. So be patient and be with the government together. Yes, you won't be able to get exactly what you want. We may not get exactly what you want. So I think by dialogue we'll be able to get a good place. I request you to cooperate with the government, and they are very happy. Because frankly speaking, they are our brother and sister. We have to think properly. We can't throw them just like that. No. We'll be taking a united decision along with them nicely. So in the meantime, we are still identifying few more places. So we will decide by a joint meeting with my officer and with them together. Now we are trying to locate a new place where to get them. That is point number one. And only when the place is identified, and we discuss with them which is official vendor, which is not. We didn't mean that government is soft and they are rough. Not like that. Yes, if somebody disturb, like somebody ABC come and sit along the road, along the street, along the path, that is why we have to regulate properly in such a manner. There will be no disturbance for the people who walk on the footpath or people who move within the crowded area. At least 700 for the register workers. Record in the office who are the register workers. Yes, it may be more, maybe a little bit beyond the register one, but we have to keep survey from time to time. No? The reason even last week I had just approved the Shillong Master Plan. You know very well. So mainly is concerned for this only. And you are rightly said there is the embankment and disembankment for the taxi is not properly located. So all the joint department we have, there is a few departments who are the committee with the traffic so they are working on this. So it's a continuous process and it's a continuous problem. So sometimes we have to enforce police also, sometimes no way out. So but at the same time we have to request them also, please follow the rules so that there will be no crowd, there will be no traffic jam unnecessarily create problem for the people who move around here and there, especially like you have said in the PB, which is a very crowded place. So we are working on it. So and that is why the government has taken the decision to move out to the new secretariat, the new city. That is one of the reasons. Until we move out with the new one, this problem will continue. Whatever you say, why I should talk blindly? I have to explain the truth because the road remain the same, the building remain the same, and the people keep increasing every day. And that is why we as a responsible leader of the state, we have already decided to move to the new township immediately. And I be patient with us. I think in 3 to 4 years, when the new secretariat, new regular is ready, and at least maybe 70-80% of the department will move that side, then there will be huge difference between us we are facing as of now.
But roadside traffic, roadside parking of vehicle, will you stop or will you put a ban on this roadside parking of vehicle?
Not a stop. We have to work accordingly. It should not disturb them also, and they should not disturb us also, and they should not disturb the public also. That is the crops that we are facing every now and then. So even the police traffic department is working very hard on this with PWD and transport together, and especially with the district administration. So we are still working, but unless we are getting ready with the new township, this problem will face. Frankly speaking,